Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hamad and today I am back with another new video of drawing vector portraits from scratch. If you are new here, consider subscribing the channel as I am bringing a lot of vector drawing tutorials on this channel. Today I'll draw the vector portrait of Justin Timberlake. This video will be in two parts. First part contains the line art version, and the other part explains the shading technique. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. We will first start outlining the hairs using pen tool. Make transitions according to the reference image. Go back and forth to adjust the curves as per your likeness. Now using just the black stroke, start outlining the face so that you get a rough sketch of the face. Similarly do this for the neck and body. Now outline the boundary of the lips, eyebrows, and eyes. You need a lot of practice to figure out where the anchor points should be placed. Add the inner lips shade and, then by using Pathfinder, trim that shape inside the lips. Now, it's time to add beard and mustaches. Use the same procedure as used for hairs, create transitions where required, and try to make the beard symmetrical. For eyes I have created a detailed tutorial on how to draw eyes. You can find the link of that video in description. I've created a Facebook page where I'll post recent updates about this channel, along with some quick tips I use while drawing vector portraits. So, be sure to like that page. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Feel free to give thumbs up to the video, and any suggestions if you have in comment section, as this will help me to bring quality content for you. So, stay tuned and show me your support by hitting the subscribe button.